Hello and welcome to another video of Vice Versa. In this video, we'll uncover the unique dimensions of Midjourney's parameters: stop, tile, version, video, and weird. Get ready to dive into a world where creativity knows no bounds. Let's begin our adventure by delving into the stop parameter, a tool that brings a new dimension to the creative process. Introducing the stop parameter, a creative pause button that lets you finish a job partway through. However, stopping a job earlier can result in blurrier and less detailed outcomes. Stop value range from 10 to 100 with a default value of 100. Keep in mind, though, that stop does not work during upscaling. Explore the difference by comparing various stop values like 10, 20, 30, and so on for a glimpse of how it impacts your creations. Ready to adjust your creative tempo? Simply add stop value to your prompt and watch your creations transform. Transitioning to the tile parameter, we'll discover how seamless patterns come to life. Tile generates repeating tiles perfect for fabrics, wallpapers, and textures. With compatibility across various model versions, your creative possibilities are boundless. Imagine the potential as you witness the tile parameter in action, turning a scribble of moss into a mesmerizing pattern. Experience the ease of use by simply adding tile to the end of your prompt. Now, let's explore the fascinating realm of version where Midjourney's evolution takes center stage. With every new model version, efficiency, coherency, and quality improve. Each model version excels at different types of images. Choose from versions 1 to 5.2 and even Midjourney 5, each offering a unique journey through artistic expression. Switching models is as simple as adding -v value or Midjourney to your prompt, or use the /setting command for a seamless transition. Continuing our exploration, let's dive into the dynamic world of video. Experience your image grid coming to life with the video parameter, a short movie of your creative process. Witness the magic as vibrant trees alongside river and whimsical botanical sketches transform into captivating videos. To get a link, simply add video to your prompt. React with the envelope, and the Midjourney bot will deliver your video to your direct messages. And now, we journey into the realm of weird parameter, an adventure into unconventional aesthetics. And now, we journey into the realm of weird parameter, an adventure into unconventional aesthetics. Introducing the weird parameter, a gateway to quirky and unexpected outcomes. Experiment with values from 0 to 3000 and witness how your images take on unique and intriguing qualities. Ignite your imagination at Midjourney and let the parameters of stop, tile, version, video, and weird shape your artistic destiny. Unveil the extraordinary at Midjourney and experience the endless possibilities that Midjourney's parameter offer. Thank you for watching.